Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Radio Silent Play Trading on this Thursday, August 19th, 2021. Let me just start off by just giving you a brief disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything that I say or mention is for educational purposes only. I may or may not hold some of the stocks that I mentioned. Please remember to do your own research before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I'm going to go over two specific stocks right now as far as the OTCs. The market has been a little bit lackluster. We had stocks with somewhat news. It's given us opportunities to make some trades off of these levels, but for the most part, these are two stocks that I haven't really been posting on. They've been building charts quite significantly, and I just want to go over them right now. This is ticker symbol PSYC, and this is Global Track Solutions. So they happen to be in the medicinal kind of psychedelics, and we've traded it before. This stock from this range, from that range bound, from that 0.015 to 2 levels, hit a high of 675. And if you notice now, you're seeing a bullish 8 into 21 MA cross. So write down the level here at that 0.0108 level. That's going to be your floor. You don't want the stock to close below that 0.016, 0.018 level, but you're seeing higher lows, right? With a 200-day moving average at 0.0166, this shows us a good accumulation phase right here at these levels. If I come over here and I show you, you're actually setting up a little bit of a bull flag here. All right, so with that said, it's giving you an opportunity to start accumulating and potentially break above this previous high, which that was about that 0.013 level. So if we can close above that 166 level, that's going to be really nice for the stock, because then you could potentially test that 0.02 level, then up here about that 235 level. So we, with a slower market, yes, we have upside here, potential for that PSYC. If I come over here, I just want to show you a little something about the PSYC. You're actually pink current. You're seeing volume, which is 4.4 million, so it has considerable amount of volume. And then if you look here, the authorized shares is just 900 million. Outstanding shares is 453 million with a flow of just 36 million. So I don't know how updated this has been, but the good thing about this is that you have restricted shares at 107 and about 346 million unrestricted. So it's almost maxed out. So that's giving us a good opportunity here. If I look here on the latest news, you actually had news here on August 17th, 2021, which was just around the corner. And it says here that they actually have a couple applications that they submitted on August 11th. And it just talks about the applications here. So these are patents. So you're seeing the potential move for this stock to be considerable, right? So ticker symbol PSYC, that's giving us a nice opportunity for any pullbacks down to that 106, 108 level. I'm looking for a close above that 0.013 level and then that test of that 166 level. Let's not forget that this stock rallied and hit a high of 675, so it gives you a nice potential. So that's giving you a nice kind of accumulation levels here before the crowd, because I haven't really posted on this. The next stock that I really like right now that is showing me a move like a previous stock that we traded was the TWOH, and this is the IGPK. And now the thing that I like about the IGPK is that you're in a bullish consolidation here. And what I mean by bullish consolidation is you're in a box pattern right here. So the moment we close above that 29 level, we're going to see upside to, I'm going to say, this 0.033 to 45 level. And then the last major run that it had was 0.012. Now, what I like about this this stock here is that we have an 8 into 21 MA cross, right? And we're seeing that now. We've kind of battled and we're trading somewhat in that range. And if you look here, TWH did basically the same thing here. where we were trading that range bound from 20 to 25, and then you ended up hitting a high of 58. So I like that setup. If I come over here to, I just want to compare it. This is the TWOH that rallied. This was 6 billion AS. And if you look at the IGPK here, you actually just have 1.6 billion. Now this is the cool part of this stock, is that it's pink limited information, but they actually made a mistake on this. So they actually got kind of pissed off today, and they actually posted what was going on with the stock. So if you look here, they were pretty pissed off. You could tell by the tweet, and it says IGPK, the change in status in OTC markets is a mistake on their part. They never moved the company over to fully reporting, and I'm told that the change will be within the next 24 hours. So this is going to be pink current come probably this week or tomorrow even. If you look here, I like the shareholders update here. They've been really adamant with this S1, and they've been performing. They've been actually updating this significantly. And over here, they talked about an update regarding several things that they've been working on, and the completion and approval of the S1 is paramount to the overall business plan. So that's something that's very key. And if you look here, they actually put out a AK filing, and these were documents that they just posted in the last couple of weeks. So if I look here, they've been very active. August 12th, June 25th, it says has filed its second quarter report on SEC Gov. You can take the report there, and that's actually this here, and it talks about their AK filing. All right, so this is a stock that I really like right now, because especially with the market the way it is right now, this is going to give us a nice move to that 45 level, to I'm going to say 45 to about 70, and the last run was 0.012. So we can sneak shares around here and just watch for this stock to close above that 0.003 level. That's going to be bullish for this stock. So these are the two stocks that I'm kind of looking at for this week. If you look here on the security details, it has a very favorable authorized shares 1.6 billion, outstanding shares is 1.5 billion, and the float is just 1.4 billion, and it's been updated with the shield. So I like the IGPK, and I like the PSYC moving forward for this week. Okay, so those are two that I really like right now. Okay, that's all that I have for you guys this week. Just be patient. We are going to, for you guys that are on Patreon, I am going to update a couple of times. I do have some updates as far as some small caps and also options that we're going to go long. This is a time where you have to be a little bit patient in this market. All right, with that said, take care, everyone.